grab machines, games,
Whoa, good job.
shopping for taffy, empty boardwalks, and the ocean. Yes, come join us as we explore Seaside Heights, New Jersey at the end of the off-season as it gets ready for its prime time, Memorial Day weekend, all through June, July, August until Labor Day. It's just about summertime at the Jersey Shore, but for now, we're going to go explore Casino Pier. We're going to play a whole bunch of games, lots of claw machines, try to get those prizes, see if it's even possible. So come along with us, see if we can win, see what other fun games they have, and enjoy a day at the shore without the crowds as the countdown to summer heats up.
The amusement park, getting ready for the season. Pirates Hideaway. In the Atlantic Ocean on a somewhat chilly, overcast May day. There.
These are all scary things. Mom, was this a hot place when you were little? What? Really? Bring back memories?
They have a skyride here. It's like a ski chairlift, actually. It's a Jersey roll. The skyride. There's the skyride. Take you down this section of the boardwalk. There's a roller coaster over there. Casino arcade. Open year round. Air conditioned, heated. Florida, I think you only need air conditioned, although you do need heated sometimes, but. Here's the arcade.
Press play to begin.
We are in the arcade at Seaside Heights, New Jersey. Some fun games here, Godzilla. Ooh, cut to win, whatever that is. Good luck with that. King Kong, Skull Island. Top Gun Maverick. Got some skee ball. A World Football Pro. The World Cup looms, with the final being paid probably about an hour from here, so. Been lots of the World Cup. But over here we got some grabbing machines, more grabbing machines, and a little restaurant section. And then the restaurant section serves pizza and more, although it's not open today. Grabbing machines up on the wall there here at Casino Pier. There's a list of scheduled events as well. Some more of the machines here. This butter squishy thing has been in recently. It's $1 for a shot there. You got these stuffed animals and some Sanrio characters. So you got a lot of grabbing machines here. Are we gonna get the butter? Oh, that was a good try.
Can we try it again? Maybe you'll
But
get
not
that.
close.
Can I try, Mommy?
Try it, press the button.
Okay, we're gonna press
If
that
you think
button.
it's right. I don't know. Who knows?
That was, they're gonna be really, that's lined up perfectly, but I don't know.
from the head.
5
right
seconds.
Here. All right, press the button.
Oh, so close. So close there. What about the big one? I doubt
Let's go keep looking.
you're going to be able to get the big one even with this giant claw. This is 5 to play. 3 plays for 10.
Perfectly, nobody wins.
Yeah.
You have to find one where it's
Oh, nice. They have Slush Rush like they have
This game's fun.
at the Mohegan Sun Casino.
Okay, you want to play?
Yeah.
You don't win anything, but you get to play.
Yeah.
Let's spin this big dice. St. Charles Place. Slush Rush. And 14. Woohoo! Good job. 28 and 22. Yay! Stuff is still old-fashioned, like snowball toss against a cloud and skee ball, basketball Connect 4. Go, pshoo, yay! Some of these machines are $10, but you play till you win. The Tritos and the Cuddles. Well, others are $2. And another one was $1 to play and 3 for 2. Oh no! Oh my goodness, I thought we were going to get this Jersey Shore guy and we didn't. What the pie?
That's perfect.
Oh,
That is not right.
we're getting to this one.
No, we're gonna get this.
We are going to get this guy this time.
I'm gonna get it. No negative attitudes.
No negativity, think positivity. We are going to get this. Perfectly aligned. No, not at all.
It tried it in twice.
Yes, it's later than I think. Oh, yes. Yes, perhaps I've been eating a bit too much. What do you think? Time to change my diet? Can we get Yoshi? Can we get Yoshi? I think we got Yoshi! Yoshi! All right, it's worth it. So they have the dumplings, the dim sum dumplings here too. $1 to play on that. There you go. And there's more Mario games. So the bar over there, a Disney photo booth, and they're closing early due to lack of a customer attendance. Apparently, we're one of the only groups of people there today. So here's what it looks like with the shutters down. Another one, it has me going for help. He doesn't need help. This place has got to close very soon. They close ahead of time if there's nobody in here. Closing time. Bunch of Wizard of Oz machines over here. Marvel Avengers. They have poker, but not for money. And these are some of the prizes you could win. Got Legos up there and everything. Casino Pier, open year round. May, June events, Seaside Heights, New Jersey. Go-karts, mini golf. More just the surrounding area here. Some stores are open. Not many though. Beach Pass is all shut up. Beach passes, beautiful beach benches, henna tattoos, one-of-a-kind bike rentals, fried pickle poppers. Seaside Heights here. Walking down the boardwalk. It's kind of cold. It's May, but it's cold. And a candy.
Is this where you got your sequel last time?
Excuse the wind.
Oh.
Planet Candy is open. They got a bunch of candy and frozen yogurt back there. Oh, and they got some taffy, peanut butter, watermelon, blueberry, vanilla, lemon, chocolate mint, all sorts of other flavors. Icy popping boba pearls. Did you see those?
What?
They got icy popping boba pearls now. Oh, that looks like it may have been an arcade up there, or is an arcade. It says something castle, but I think it's going to be closed because I see everything being shuttered up already. Yeah, Coin Castle. It would have been an arcade, but now it's not. Hello, wind. Oh, wind, wind. You all hear the wind here. There's the Atlantic Ocean over there, and there's pizza. Coin Castle, closed. Oh, there's a couple open stores down here if you want to go any further. It would say, there's Three Brothers Pizza and a tattoos.
It's always colder by the ocean.
Surf, Soul, and Cerveza. It says Lucky Leo's arcade is open. Let's go check it out. Neato giveaway. This is inside Lucky Leo's arcade. Lucky Leo's arcade, Seaside Heights. It almost has an atmosphere of a Atlantic City casino a little bit. Lucky Leo's arcade. Got the old school change buckets there, huh? Remember when the Taj Mahal Mini, like that. A golden ticket here. I've got a golden ticket.
Thank you.
Okay, $2 to play. It's a lot for a grabbing machine. They do not guarantee to win. See what's in this prize bag. The button has been pressed. Ooh, almost.
Oh no!
What are we going for here? Oh, it went down.
Maybe you have to wait like...
Ah! We're trying this one.
I'm trying to get Donkey Kong.
Okay, I want him.
Here we go. 6 seconds. Here we go. Oh, beautiful on Donkey Kong. No!
That is not fair! Once it gets halfway up, you gotta let it stop.
Hey, let's move.
Hey!
I did.
Every winner is a gift card. Will we get a gift card? Let's see. Vile. Whoa, good job. Great job. You are excellent ring tossers. Got a lot of tickets there. Ring toss. We even got some skee ball. get some skee ball. Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
How many 2000s in a row can you get? All right, we have 3 in a row, 4 in a row. Boy, you're just on fire with 20s. 5 in a row, 6 in a row. I thought that was gonna break the streak, but no.
Very good.
Oh, there we go. Yay! More of the Lucky Leo's also has a candy shop. There's the sweet shop, homemade candy, fudge, chocolates, house of fries down there, salt water taffy, more. Old time photos. Italian American Club there. All at Seaside Heights, New Jersey. When thunder roars, goes indoors. Yes, obviously that's a good rule of thumb. Also gonna walk up this way, a little bit on the lower end of the beach, south of where we were earlier, and just to see the ocean, wonderful Atlantic Ocean. There it is. Certainly nice and chilly. Over here is a sign about Seaside Heights, 3,000 people, Barrier Peninsula, New Jersey's Atlantic coast. 1913 incorporated. Train line in the Barnegat Bay Bridge brought visitors from Philadelphia, North Jersey. I hope you're enjoying this tour of Seaside Heights in Seaside Heights, New Jersey, along the famous Jersey Shore. It's clearly the off season, even though Memorial Day is just a few weeks away from when we're filming this, and it's gonna look much different. But right now, most things are still pretty boarded up, not too crowded. Come a few weeks, it'll be a much different story. But hey, it's nice to walk along the beach, especially when the weather isn't that cold. It's overcast, but it's only about 62 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not bad. Sun's peeking out a little bit. All in all, a great day to enjoy sometime at the shore. It's a little windy though.
And that wraps up our brief tour from Seaside Heights, New Jersey. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe to Do It Disney and Beyond. We're going to bring you some really awesome new adventures coming up real soon. Bye all. Thanks again.